GoCanvas offers several free integrations with external file management systems that let you send completed submissions directly to your cloud storage. In this video, you'll learn how to connect Google Drive to your GoCanvas account. There are two ways to connect, at the account level or at the form level. Account level sends every completed submission to the same Google Drive parent folder. Form level gives you more flexibility in how submissions are organized in Google Drive. It's generally recommended to set up your integration at the form level. First, ensure you have administrator access to the Google Drive you want to use. In the GoCanvas left navigation, select Forms. Next to the form you want to integrate, select the Settings icon. In the Settings section, locate Integration Options and click Settings. From here, you'll see your free integration options. For this example, under the Google Drive icon, select Activate. Then select Authorize and follow the prompts to sign in to your Google account. In the final pop-up window, GoCanvas automatically creates a folder in your drive called GoCanvas, followed by the form name. You can rename this folder if you prefer. You can also create a subfolder based on field data in the form. For example, to sort submissions by customer number, select the field that contains the customer number. When you've made your selections, click Save. Once activated, you can edit the folder path at any time by selecting Manage under the Google Drive icon. To set up an account-level Google Drive integration, in the left navigation, select Account, then Account Settings. If your account uses departments, open the Department drop-down in the top left corner, select All, expand Account, and then select Account Settings. Scroll to Form Settings, and next to Integration Options, click Settings. Under the Google Drive icon, select Activate, then follow the prompts to authorize and log in to your Google account. In the final pop-up window, GoCanvas automatically creates a folder in your drive called GoCanvas, which you can rename. You can also choose to create subfolders. Selecting the Name of the Form option creates a subfolder within the GoCanvas folder for that form's submissions. If you also select the Date option, it creates another subfolder within the Form Name folder that sorts completed forms by submission date. When you have made your selections, select Save. Once activated, you can edit the folder path selections at any time by selecting Manage under the Google Drive icon. Now, when a submission is created anywhere in the account, the completed form is sent to your designated folder in Google Drive.